essential AI tools for everyone. In today's digital landscape, AI tools have become indispensable for professionals and creators alike. Understanding which free options are available can save you thousands while still accessing powerful capabilities. This guide will help you navigate the complex world of AI tools, understand their limitations, and make informed decisions about which ones best suit your specific needs. Let's see how these AI tools can transform your daily workflow. Meet Sarah, a content creator who uses multiple free AI tools to boost her productivity. For her blog post about sustainable living, Sarah starts with ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and create an outline. She types in her topic and instantly receives a structured framework with key points to cover. After drafting her content, she runs it through Grammarly to catch any grammatical errors and improve clarity. The free version highlights basic issues while suggesting improvements to her writing style. For her blog's featured image, Sarah uses Bing Image Creator to generate a unique illustration showing a sustainable home. She simply describes what she wants, and within seconds, she has several options to choose from. To create a short promotional video for social media, Sarah uploads her script to Pictory, which automatically generates a video with relevant stock footage, and her narration as voiceover. For the voiceover, she uses 11 Labs to convert her script into natural-sounding speech, choosing a voice that matches her brand's personality without having to record herself. When researching statistics for her article, Sarah uses Perplexity AI to quickly find reliable information with source citations, saving hours of manual research and fact-checking. For her technical blog posts, Sarah uploads research papers to ChatPDF to quickly extract key information and statistics without reading entire documents, making complex topics more accessible. To streamline her workflow, Sarah uses Zapier AI to automatically post her content across multiple platforms when published, saving time on repetitive tasks and ensuring consistent distribution. By combining these free AI tools, Sarah completes in hours what used to take days, while maintaining high-quality output and staying within her budget as a small business owner. Thank you for exploring this comprehensive guide to free AI tools. We hope you've discovered valuable resources that can enhance your productivity and creativity. Remember, even with their limitations, these free AI tools can significantly transform your workflow and help you accomplish more in less time. Stay updated with the latest AI developments as these tools continue to evolve and improve. We'll see you in our next guide.